Model, 65-plate Ford Transit 2.2 TDCi 155PS rear-wheel drive 350 L3H1 chassis cab dropside recovery. Body, white, flatbed. Mileage, 106,043. MOT, 1 March 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 155PS TDCI-F. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a misfire. This is down on compression on one cylinder, the engine will need repairing or replacing, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van.